So what's up, guys? I'm glad you made it this far. In this video, I'm going to teach you one of the things that you really need to have to really maximize the amount of money that you can actually make on Facebook. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here like always. And what you're looking at right now is you are looking at my personal profile. This is my personal Facebook profile. And what I'm going to show you here, this is my personal persona page. All right, so there's a big difference here in my personal persona page between my personal profile. My personal profile is obviously my personal profile. This is my personal Facebook account for me as a person. Whereas my persona page, this is actually a Facebook business page. This is a Facebook page and not a personal profile, but it is actually set up for me as a person for my personal brand. All right. So you must have one of these, and you need to create one of these. Later on in these trainings, we're going to get actually into paid advertisements, and I'm going to begin to actually show you one of the most effective ways to advertise on Facebook. I'll give you a little hint. It's actually drive warm traffic from your personal profile and then use your persona page, your business page, to actually retarget all the warm traffic that goes to your links, because those retargeting ads, they're the best bang for your buck, and they are the highest conversion. The highest converting ads that you can get on Facebook are the retargeting ads. But you don't really want to waste all your money getting traffic, cold traffic, from your business page, just unknown people coming to your links. What you really want to do is you want to use your personal profile page to get that traffic, because it's already warm traffic. It's already people who know you. So you want to get that traffic to go out to your links, and then you're going to follow up and you're going to retarget them and follow them all over Facebook with your personal persona page, which is a Facebook business page that you can actually run paid advertisements to. All right. So you really want to set up a Facebook business page for your personal brand. So if your name is John Vaughn, then your personal persona page should also be called John Vaughn. Whatever your name is for your personal Facebook profile, you want to name your page the exact same thing. And you want to have very similar imagery so it looks the same as your personal page, so that people really don't notice that much that this is a paid ad and this is your business page following them around. And even if they do, they automatically associate that with the person that they already know and like and trust on Facebook, which is you. Hopefully, if you've been following everything in this training and you've been doing it properly, then that is you. All right. So we're going to go over in later lessons, we're going to go over setting up your page, and we're going to go over chat bots and how to set up chat bots and all that good stuff. We're going to go over Facebook ads and retargeting. All of these things are other tools that you can actually employ to help you maximize the amount of money that you make on Facebook. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that you have one of these personal persona pages that is almost identical to your personal profile, just like mine is. You can see that the pictures are very similar here. I can go in and actually update everything if I want. So it's just very similar, and you can see that people are easily going to be able to associate this picture of me with this picture of me right here. I might even go in and actually update this picture of me to be the exact same picture that I'm actually using on my personal profile, just like that. So now it's actually exactly the same as what I'm using on my personal profile. Now they're actually the exact same picture. So it's going to be much easier for people to actually recognize me if I'm running a paid retargeting ad, retargeting all the people from my personal profile, my personal Facebook profile that are clicking my links and going out to my offers. Now I can actually retarget them with this page and follow them around Facebook and get them to go back and buy my stuff. It's a really effective, cost-effective way for you to actually make more money on Facebook. So in this very next video, I'm going to go in and actually show you how easy it is to create this page if you don't know how to create it already. It's really simple. I'll go in and show you how to do that in the very next video.